Ow! It is our super brains. Well, no, first next year. Oh, all that! What's up, dude? It's Nick, and welcome back to Nick's Reading Corner. And today we're reading Moment Shaboom! Well, that was easy. Yay! Derp. Beep beep. If you're a big fan of the show called Beep Sheep. Beep beep. I'm a sheep. Well, I know what today's video. That's more important. Now, so let's jump into the metaverse.
And can you show me the cover of your book?
Beep beep.
Beep. Okay.
Welcome to the beep beep dimension. Here we go. Once upon a time, there was a story called Beep Beep. Beep. In one tiny world, there's a
Three.
I am an
I can't hear.
ambulance. See me speed down the street, vrooming. Vroom.
Let me see the picture too.
Hear my siren scream. Beep beep. Beep beep. I'm a sheep.
All right.
The beep sheep is back town. A rescue team rides inside of me. I need to be kept neat and clean. Person who who need help, call me. I speed to rescue.
Reach
them. The rescue team can't even wheel out a bed. Then I speed back to the hospital. I need to speed away again. Beep beep. Caution area under construction. So long, dimension. It disappeared. Well, oh yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all the notifications on, and to like today's video. And also, I like you, I love you, and I think you love me, and also like me. And also, I will have my Minecraft roleplays today. See you soon for the Minecraft roleplays. Box you away. Peace.
And this time, we're gonna get fucking.
March it. March.
Shoulders. Everybody clap your hands.